Hello everyone. Today we see brief explanation about a new topic. There's a Girl by the Tracks, written by Devan Kanal. This story is based on real incident happened in Mumbai. In the most populated metropolis like Mumbai, the commuters are more. In the evenings, they are in a hurry to get back to their homes. And so they rush to board the trains. If they miss a particular train, they will be in trouble and they will get late to reach their home. This is a regular scene, and unfortunately, no one has time to think about others. Having just managed to squeeze herself into a ladies' compartment, 21-year-old call center executive Roma Talreza tried to settle into a corner near the door of the train, but she jammed between other women. She suddenly got pushed, lost her tennis foothold, and her hands reached for the steel railing above, but finding only air. She was thrown out of the coach and fell onto the ground more than a meter below. By this incident, she was knocked senseless. It means she lost her consciousness. At that time, standing near the door of another train, speeding in the opposite direction, 20-year-old Baleshwar Mishra saw a young woman in a black salwar kameez lying next to the track. Suddenly, Baleshwara went and grabbed the train's red emergency chain and pulled it down frantically. He shouted for help, but nobody volunteered to help her because they were afraid of getting involved, being inconvenienced, perhaps. Now we see related questions and answers. First one. It's a regular scene. What was regular about the scene? For answer, refer my notes. Second, Roma Talreza tried to set into a corner near the door in the train. Was she right in doing this? What would you have done if you were there? No, she wasn't doing right thing. If I was there, I would have tried to stand in a safer place. Question number 3. There's a girl by the tracks. The voices cried out. Whose voices do you think those were? The voices came from the passengers who stood at the door of the train, which was coming from the opposite direction. The dictionary says callous means unconcerned. In this situation, who do you think were callous towards the accident? I think the people who saw the scene of Roma falling on the tracks, but they did not volunteer to help her, or they did not volunteer to save her life. By this reason, they were considered as callous towards the accident. Next one. Baleshwara was impulsive in taking a decision because there was a girl by the tracks. Question number 6. Baleshwara rushed to help the girl. His movement has been described with words like shout. Identify 2 more such verbs or verbal phrases. The 2 more verbal phrases are jumped off, landed on.